Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn Merchants Drive. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking and a free Wi-Fi. This hotel is located off Interstate 75 and 5 miles from downtown Knoxville. The hotel offers an outdoor pool, laundry facilities and rooms with free Wi-Fi. Quality Inn Merchants Drive rooms are equipped with a refrigerator and coffee maker. The rooms include cable TV and air conditioning. Quality Inn provides guests with a daily continental breakfast. The Merchants Drive Quality Inn is 6 miles from the University of Tennessee. The Whittle Spring Golf Course is within a 10-minute drive of the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.